लोगों की मदद करनी है। इस रियासत को ऊपर उठाना है। बड़ी तबाहियों से निकला है। अभी जंग हुई है, जंग की तबाहियों से भी अभी हमने निकल रहे हैं। इसलिए इनको इकट्ठे चल के इस रियासत को बनाने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए, फर्क नहीं करना चाहिए। He is sitting on the files. How many times I'll tell him? I told him one day that you have demoted the Institute of Medical Science in Srinagar. He said, no, it has got its autonomy. It was a complete lie from him. The files are still with him and they're not moving. I beg of him, for God's sake, move the files so people can benefit.
Sir, you're alleging that he's stopping the elected government from working, sir?
It's not a question of stopping. He cannot stop it. But he's delaying it. That's the only thing he's doing. And he must stop delaying it. He should be friend of the people and the government. That's what he's sitting there for.
Thank you, sir.
Allah ke hawale. Allah ke hawale.